Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my, what month are we? February Ipsy bag. I know I haven't done the last 2 or 3 months, but I'm going to do it this month, don't worry. My camera doesn't have that much clarity, so I'm going to make this as quickly as I can. This is the bag for this month. Cute kisses. Okay, so I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm gonna pull the product one by one, and then this month I actually gave you a little card, and it comes with like descriptions of the product. So I'm just gonna be reading off the little card. I pulled out a Fierce and Fine graphic pen by Deuce. Oh, it's an eyeliner pen. That's so cool. I love getting eyeliners, you guys, because I'm an eyeliner whore. So this is the eyeliner right here. And it is a felt tip eyeliner. So, whatever. I'm going to read what it says. Deuce, I think that's how you pronounce the brand name. If I'm wrong, let me know. Deuce Fierce, Fine, and Graphic Pen in black. Ay, ¿qué es esto? Okay. Deuce aims to inspire others to express their unique beauty just like us. This waterproof felt tip This waterproof felt tip liner won't smear or smudge. Go bold and graphic or wing it out. Your options are endless. Fun fact. Douce, inspired by the French word douce, means soft and elegant. The next product I pull out is by Space Case Cosmetics, and this is an eyeshadow. Ooh. I love the packaging. I already got a product by Space Case Cosmetics in my Yes or Yes. It was a nail polish, and I love the packaging. It's just so cool, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Ooh, this is in the shade Sapphire. Yeah. Ooh, that is so cool and pretty. Can you guys see that? And it is a blue eyeshadow. Ooh, such a pretty color. Look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Space Case eyeshadow, and oh, it's in no reception. Where did I get Sapphire from? Oh, I don't know how to read. Sorry. This brand's all about inspiring your unique beauty. Whether you want to go bold or graphic or create a wash of color, this shimmery blue eyeshadow will do the trick. It's highly pigmented. A little goes a long way. Goes on smooth and blends well with other shades. Nice. I'm excited to try it. I like the nail polish they gave. I got from them from Yes or Yes. It's a really pretty shade. And if I like the eyeshadow, I'm probably going to go ahead and buy some stuff from them myself. The next product is a sample size mascara by IIKONN. This is their Lash Alert Mascara. Wake Up and Go. This is a really pretty packaging. So cute and tiny. I'm going to read to you what it says on the back of the mascara. I kept looking at the screen, but I'm supposed to be looking this way. Give your lashes a lift with a shot of caffeine and a double dose of fibers for instant volume, curl, and definition. It has caffeine. I've never heard of mascara having caffeine. That's pretty interesting. Okay. Lash Alert Mascara. Your lashes are in good hands with this mascara because IIKONN, I think that's how you pronounce the brand, is the go-to brand for Fab Eye formulas. Just ask a spokesman and cat eye queen Alexa Chung. It's infused with caffeine and fibers that curl, add volume, and define. It also improves elasticity for healthier, fuller lashes. Well, who doesn't like that, right? Excited to try that out. The next product is a lip product. This is from Laga and Go. That's how you pronounce it. And this is their This is one of the lip glosses in Prickly Pear. It is a cute, tiny sample, and it is a hot pink lip gloss. This is so cute though. I like the color. So it's obviously a lip gloss, so it's not going to be that pigmented. So cute though. Okay. This brand is inspired by the bold colors, patterns, and artistic vibes of NYC's Lower East Side. And this Prickly Pear pink gloss is just as unique.
This formula
adjusts to your skin's pH levels, enhancing or softening its pink undertones to create your own custom shade. That is really cool. To try that out pretty soon. The last product is a facial cleanser. This is by Feel, and it's their renewed pumpkin walnut facial cleanser. Deep skin treatment and gentle exfoliation. Oh, nice. So this is obviously a sample size, but you know, it's a pretty good size for a sample size. I'm going to read to you guys what it says on the back. How to use. Oh no, that's how to use it. Never mind. It doesn't say anything about the product. Okay, I'm going to read to you guys what it says on the little card. This brand believes that beauty isn't just something to use, it's something to feel. And you can get behind that. This exfoliating cleanser is loaded with vitamin-rich ingredients like pumpkin and walnut powder to gently exfoliate and get your skin looking glowy and gorge. Cute. That's pretty cute. Okay, guys, so that is it for this Ipsy bag. Pretty cool products. I like it. I've been wanting to upgrade to the Ipsy Plus, but you can't automatically do it. They have to send you an email. So I'm just waiting for my email. Come on, Ipsy. I want the Plus. Because they're actually full-size products, and you get a bag every 3 months, I believe. So I'm excited to get it. So I'm just waiting for the email. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. And until next time, bye guys. I love you.